The ones that try to act someone they're really not.
Yep.
Come on.
You know, say I rap him, fuck say Drake, Tory, you know, yeah, me say Tory. Say fuck with Tory.
Femme tout m'ba di succès, mi c'est pas la vini non et tout pas de guetter là tout non comme mi c'est qui commencé dans stream là. M'kadi avant c'est ta fois que général en pas qui te fait caisser dans speed. Puis go view mi c'est quelque chose channel là et puis go l'époque TikTok te fait cap frapper tout on était dans l'époque Covid. Et puis c'était dans un moment ça tout le monde était venu découvrir ça TikTok là. Et mon freestyle Tory te fait avec Monsieur man.
Tory.
Oh avec Monsieur moi avec Eden. Crasé internet. Freestyle ça jusqu'à présent l'a mené. Yes, jusqu'à présent mais ça fait Monsieur pas la.
Oh yeah.
Tory man
sous live là.
Tory t'as préparé buzz man yo Tory jeune avec lyrics ça man.
Non, monsieur qu'on rap tout, monsieur versatile man. Qu'on monsieur versatile.
Yeah.
Monsieur rap bien. Monsieur rap bien, chanter bien man.
Yo.
Bon, ouais, plusieurs femmes qu'on a joué monsieur là.
Monsieur lit man.
L'aise.
Yo, monsieur just met beat là.
Yeah.
Et puis Tory just rete man.
Yeah.
La monter man.
Yeah, play shit. Faut nous jouer ça, faut nous faire réaction sur lui. La faut réaction sur lui man.
Thank you, bro.
You know, it comes out.
Let's do this on live. Let's cut this off. Let's send my ass to prison.
Steve. Oh, this right.
Et nous allons faire on a fait ça direct pendant nous en ligne là, nous allons couper Braslè dans pied mien.
Alright.
Parce que m'pa rentrer avec dans pied monsieur femme.
6ix9ine, Steve, I ain't gonna lie.
6ix9ine's about to go to jail, and I think
Et monsieur 6ix9ine va retourner en prison.
it was meant to be. It's the only way that this, excuse my language, it's the only way this can lose weight.
Yo!
Okay?
Et monsieur c'est en prendre en prison, j'aime dit non bagarre là. Et pour moi même ça c'est celle que ça me que monsieur qui a perdu poids. C'est aller en prison perdu poids. Yes, parce que la breaklin la coupe.
For real.
You throw it in there with him if you cut it off.
Do we have something?
Yeah, scissors right there.
Steve?
Let's go, Aiden.
I'll just hold you. I'll hold you like this. Oh my God! Here it comes.
I could do it.
So far. Oh my God, it's coming.
Let's go.
Steve Koupe.
Steve Laguek.
Oh non, lui pour il est en prison pour aller.
Hey!
3 months.
Let's go, nigga. We out.
On court en aller. Il va de pied mon corps. Allez. J'étais au fait.
We're going to Cuba. Let's go to Cuba.
Let's go Cuba. On a Cuba.
He's gonna Venezuela.
Tu adores, on a le Venezuela bito.
When they get face shower.
On a le Venezuela bito. Shit.
Can you ask him if I can keep it?
No, he can't.
Bon no 6ix9ine now back again, but no from remettre.
Or make a thumbnail if you want.
Smell it. Steve, you gotta.
Monsieur veut mettre toi moi sous nez.
Ah ouais, mets toi en plus, man. Vagabond que vous êtes.
Smell it.
That's been on me for months. So like some tacos.
Ah, monsieur. C'est dit bah ça gagne moi dans pim là, man. Il y a sniff à la santé. Ça qui ça te gagne? Gagne ça Taco Bell? Il gagne ça taco.
It has Yo, nigga, that shit literally has.
Yo, it has electricity already bolted.
Oh man, c'est ça dit garder gagne ba électrique là dans lui sous man puis foot électrique. Il can foot électrique pas dans l'avion. Hey oui, foot courant dans boudon.
Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, let me see that video.
Chad, we got the #1 song, Bacon, bro. Run that shit up while you.
#1 song, music cap trending right now, man. Bacon.
Yes, sir.
He's in the, you know, we got. Come
No,
on.
bacon, bro. And that's literally no promo.
No promo.
Aiden called me and said,
Bacon, bro. Literally no promo. Et musique là, il est bacon, you know, et sans promotion. Of course, pas besoin de promotion.
Déjà promotion.
They who member Eden, man. That's all the promotion you need. And you got academic on that, man. Come on, man. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait réaction sur lui, man? Come on, dog.
Market up neck, man.
Qui promotion besoin là encore?
Mon cher, man.
well, I called.
Yeah.
Yo, Jack get up by the music, I would come and short.
Oui, musique.
Come on, bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
Stop playing, man.
You know what I'm saying? Musique
How que sorti, don't get a fair lead pour cette
musique a recordé, musique was in the process, you know?
Mais nous get different. Mais ça c'est qui a dit, 6ix9ine dit come on, bro.
He's gonna drop it too, right? Come on, man. Keep promotion des besoins, man. You got all these people, man, backing you up.
I got a bottle on iTunes. It's like $1.
It is?
It was on the charts. Yeah, you know.
I'll last shit on iTunes too, man. $1.
Yes, sir.
Koupe, you know what I'm saying? More money.
Let's go inside real quick.
Yeah, I was about to say it's prick. We have literally 1 more hour, chat. We have 1 more hour.
Okay, no get inédit 6ix9ine encore, man.
It's 20 minutes. Okay. Where you want me to sit at? Yeah, go.
Hey, man,
Back here?
Am I sitting on somebody's lap?
Aiden, go back there. Make sure.
Me and Koupe back here? Yeah. Can Needle sit right there to film or not? Or you can sit across?
I'm pissed.
Don't be upset.
Fucking devastated.
It's for a good cause. I know, it's like sad.
Yeah,
Somebody connect, let's play bacon.
Yeah, let's get the vibes up. Like, we can't be sad.
Play bacon.
Play bacon, let's get the vibes up, man. Play music no man, put no lit, man. Yeah, let's get lit, man.
Number 1 trending right now.
I know, we got
In music.
crazy.
Number 1 trending in music, man. Musique Abdivala. Hey, man, galo jwe, man. Ki a lit tobe. Yo, hey, upil respect ou Mexique, sa.
Oh, moi, je suis calé en plus, moi.
Yo, c'est tombé flat, man. C'est pick up là, man, pour contre lui, man. Et ça, nèg yo do, hey, et ça, nèg yo do, yo, I got that shit out the mud. I got that shit off the muscle. And I got it off the muscle, man. So first, man, we watch, yo, back on pour qu'on courir there, man. Qu'on do, yo, that nigga broke. Va tout temps tout ça.
Ah, c'est moi.
Yo, let me get that, yo, man. Scotchy broke, man. Do pour keep man. Now, man, to buy us a job, man. Ouais, mais success, that's comeback, man. Ça, écoute, ça, got comeback, man. Regarde, yo, man, the catchy, man. C'est fond Jean, man. C'est passé non tout, man, quand même.
Like, I'm a musician, bro, but I haven't dropped records in a minute. And you guys are not even.
When's the last time you went number 1 on music? On YouTube, man. YouTube.
Right, last year.
Oh,
I haven't dropped.
Yeah. You haven't dropped them in a year.
Nigga, I'm black.
I'm the Walla Hala.
I'm dead, nigga trying to play. Niggas trying to play. That's all I'm trying to say.
You got. You know what I'm saying? Yo, like you lit, man. Yo.
Now I'm acting a foolio. She wants some money. Me no dummy. Me no.
She wants some money. Me no dummy. Me no stupid.
Yes, sir.
Bala Buddha Gigi. You know what I'm saying? Di vle la jena même ba stupid, you know? You know stupid.
Yes, sir.
Stupido.
What a track!
Yo, what a track.
Yeah.
So since Steve was the one who cut my ankle monitor off, I'm gonna let you do something legendary.
What am I doing?
I'm gonna take my wig off before I go to jail.
Oh.
Hey, yo,
Yes, I'm Adam 6ix9ine.
yes, it's a girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
So, m'de kite Steve retire bracelet, a couper bracelet dans pied, ou même bral kite retire perruque là dans tête moi, man. Yeah, retire perruque.
Oh, shit. I'm taking your wig off?
Yeah, wait, just let it soak in.
Yo.
And then play it after.
My love person.
What is that? Alcohol?
You know what's so crazy? Let me say this.
Alcool m'se va sente ten. Retire. Yeah, because m'ko glue yo mette, famille met glue. Yeah, the bal bad, I guess.
So when I went to prison last year, I went with a wig on and they thought it was my real hair. Just pull from my hair. Y'all don't play the song.
Play a song? Ah!
Don't play the song.
Come on, nigga there.
Hey, yo, man. C'est pas jeu.
Yo, you got it. You got it, Mahar. You got it, Mahar.
Just sold in.
You can stop doing that.
Yeah, me say, I don't know what it, yeah, mba elwe non, mba on sa
Bye, boss.
Nigga, been for
ka save.
Work is on tonight. Voi la sushi demi.
Take a look at the
Oui, a promoté le vrai.
E gen fwes ke fwape ma ba la, men.
Comme Black a fait lâcher. Ouais, bloqué le beau 6ix9ine, man.
Ali la.
You know what I'm saying? Par contre, ça, man.
Kapot. Gen nou komprime pou ba fam, men.
Yeah, bye. Yeah.
Gen chili jet.
Oh, he got a honey pack. Yeah. Bye. You know, pour caser long time. He love you long time.
Ba non pi bon. Chili
Yeah,
jet.
chili
Ba
jet
ble
la.
sou bezon ti bay. Pou kaze boa, fe boa relambre.
Chiffonné bois.
Sou pa vle dormi sou boa.
Chiffonné bois, chauffé bois.
Pre chili jet. Pou ki pe 6ix9ine.
C'est chili lié. C'est
6ix9ine
ça.
pou ko gen.
Sous tes
Pas
pay.
6ix9ine la ou ti komprime pou la nou ti siret.
Non, sirette. Comprimé à péter fiel. Ou ka tout parler et tout.
Fondant ke do a di chè chou se wad ti bay pou ete mouve sap.
Oui.
Jol la waj chire.
Yeah, tu vas le chauffer.
Oui.
I dare you to try to play. Famous. I want something to take.
Like yo, literally, on the way to prison. Now would put that, now would put you in prison. Hey yo, ou pas ta comprendre, you know, man. Ça on t'y legendary pour moi, man.
Ouais,
That's legendary. That's a moment, though.
Yeah, man.
Ouais, ça, that's a vibe.
Vibe, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, cacahuete avec yo. Cacahuete. Gat kote mi sa clé de bel mot là. We see you. Do man. Do. I see you though, man. Bla sa diferent, vrai. Bla sa.
Sel swag like pa vle pase, but sa try, man.
Bla sa diferent. Kofam, let's see how little TJ too, man. Je dis, little TJ the app. Oui. You see, but. Hey. A moment, man. Where that got lit.
It's my face.
All black when I creep. Still making millions when I
Turn up, dog. You sound like a black nigga out here.
Steve, it's Mr. Beast. You be sucking up the sheiks.
Ça monsieur. Yeah.
Steve Raboure, Mr.
Eh, 6ix9ine encore, eh.
Oui, qui écrit pour les affaires pour
all black when I creep.
Listen to music. Hey, when I sleep. Hey, he sound black on this.
You a geek. Who the fuck is Mr. Beast? You be sucking off the sheets.
What the fuck is the beat? Hey.
Everything about you fake. I can see right through it. Everybody scared to say it. I guess Steve will do it. Down that your main bitch is trash. When's the last time you had someone without a camera attached?
Ça va l'autre hit dans la rue. Back to back hit the Budado.
What you still come? Stop getting views. What you still come? No telling what you do. You be out there in Dubai getting shit on by dudes. That's how I see now. He was acting wild. Now I gotta tame the beast. Just be honest with me. You claim to be all black when I creep. And I'm still making millions when I sleep.
Still making millions when I sleep. My family.
You ain't never touched the streets, you a geek. Who the f*** is Mr. Beast? You be sucking off the sheets.
You never hit the street, you a geek. Who the fuck? You a geek. Ou pa jam nan la rive, men. Ou son ti ko mi ki esouye. Mr. Beat, yeah. Yo.
Dressing all black when I creep, and I'm still making millions when I sleep.
Catch me all black when I crip. Lè m'a rentre sou pa pou wè parce que m'tou de noir.
Hey, ça Steve Santi.
Après,
Steve Santi da black, oui.
catch you make millions while I sleep. Et puis wap jwen mwen ka fè million pou de m'abdomen.